Hello everyone. Today I'm going to try out the new Beeline Tram. Recently, the Beeline just derailed over and over again until June 25th, 2026. The B is now back as a tram line and it's no longer possible to derail. So I'm going to go to the financial center by taking the F train. Not going to RDL International Airport or Rocked Up Airland. We only need to go one stop, and that's it. Yeah, but people are like, Sierra, just take the E&M. No, the E&M are not automated, but I will take them soon, or probably. And we're here. Yep, see? All we needed to do is just go one stop. Not going to the A train, don't care about that. See? One simple stop. Not gonna transfer to the Y. There he is. He's about to depart soon, so yeah. Just gonna wait for the next one. Or maybe we'll get there in time. No. That's fine. I'll wait for the next one. And I mean, check out the signage. It kind of reminds me of these signs that you will usually see in the WMTA and the Chicago Transit Authority. And there's the B. Yay. We're currently going in car 2113. You know what? I want to sit up at the top. I'm just going to pretend my seat is like a throne. Okay, so the next stop will be 17th Street. Bye-bye, Financial District or FIDI. Time for 17th Street. I mean, check out the open gangway physics. It is actually so cool. Originally, you would see this open gangway in like the R211 cars, right? But now these open gangway cars have been, and now these open gangway or articulated train cars have made it to the buses and trams as well. Oh, and also light rail and light metro. But anyway, 17th Street. The next stop is Pujol Carroll Streets. Yep, you guys keep complaining. Sorry, not gonna catch the E&M in this episode. And that's because they're not automated, and I'll probably not ride them. There's car 2112. And there's another B. Just leaving. Anyways, Pujol Carroll Streets. Gonna ride the whole thing to Maybury Industrial. The next stop is 30 RDIS. We're approaching the South Dub District. And there goes another B. Anyways, 30th RDIS. Oh, it stands for Rocked Up International School. So remember in the last video I raged at Subway Surfers. So yeah, my phone is currently in 2 pieces and I'm very sad about it, but I'll probably get a new phone in the future. Anyways, we're approaching Comoran Square. I know my phone's in 2 pieces now, but I don't really care. Anyways, Comoran Square. We're approaching it. Comoran Square. We're approaching Van Bergen Plaza, Park Street. Connections available to the F and J. Check out the curve and slope physics. Originally, the sharp curves were only available on heavy metro lines, but now they currently made it onto the trams and buses. Van Bergen Plaza, Park Street. Not getting off here. The next and last stop will be Maybury Industrial Park. I feel like we're approaching it now. And there's Maybury Industrial Park. There goes another B. Anyway, Maybury Industrial Park. And I think this is the southernmost terminal in Rocked Up Subway. Now let's get off. Yes, we did it. We rode my guide today. And now we're gonna exit this place because this place feels kind of boring. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day. Yeah, my phone's in 2 pieces now, but peace out. Peace out!